Now, we're going to head out to Gage Goulding, who is in Rockport, with how residents are preparing.
Yeah, Daji, this is a community that took a big whopping in 2017 from Hurricane Harvey, and now Beryl, fast forward to where we are today, Beryl eyeing up Rockport and nearby communities. This is a beautiful day right now, and typically this area would be packed with people, but they're not. They're heeding those caution, they're heeding the warnings, many of them boarding up and getting out.
All along the Texas Gulf Coast, people are preparing for a hurricane while still celebrating the 4th of July.
We're leaving tomorrow.
In Corpus Christi, a near sigh of relief as the forecast track keeps moving east, away from the area that took a blow from Tropical Storm Alberto just 2 weeks ago.
We'll see. The next couple days we'll figure it out, but right now I'm not too worried about it.
It's not all sunshine and seashells. Many without a way to higher ground are packing up and taking off, not risking to stay for a few extra vacation days.
Not me, guys. No, not me at all. No, it's we don't want to try that. I have 3 small kids, so.
In Rockport, Texas, residents aren't running the risk, spending their day boarding up ahead of Beryl.
We're just boarding up before the big one comes.
Rockport is all too familiar with hurricanes. Just mention the name Harvey around here, and you're likely to hear a personal story of the storm.
But, you know, this place still is recovering from Harvey. There's still a lot of slabs that are missing from Harvey still.
And this evening, we know those last-minute preparation supplies, the plywood, the shutters, the water, the gas, those things are getting harder and harder to come by. The guy that we spoke with that you just saw boarding up his house there, he drove 50 minutes one way just to get the plywood. He tells me that was the last pieces of plywood that was off a truck that was coming to restock the plywood at a store. So you can kind of see how these supply chain issues build up here. That's going to be an even bigger problem for those that wait to the absolute last minute as Beryl inches closer to the Texas Gulf Coast. I'm live in Rockport. Gage Goulding, KPRC-TV News.
Thank you, Gage. It is good to see these people.